the use if I can't even ask him for advice? I've made up my mind. I'll surpass him. Big brother.
Join us, Sasuke. This is important. I've made my decision after working closely with Lord Forth. He seems to be serious. I believe that he is trustworthy.
What are your thoughts about all this?
We must demonstrate to them that we have no ill will. We must pledge loyalty to Lord Forth.
This is Itachi that's talking to us. Besides, we have long hoped to find a way to participate within the government.
You always do this, father.
I realize this may be sudden.
You are quite the cunning one. If we accept this mission, failure's not an option. Let's go through selections right away.
See? Didn't I tell you, Naruto?
I told him I'd learn my jutsu first, but he surpassed me. Hey, what do you think you're doing, Sasuke? Apologize to Sakura!
Don't you order me around. Oh yeah, know-it-all? You really think that you're equal to me? That's impossible! Fine by me.
Both of you stop!
Dad, what?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sasuke!
I will never acknowledge you.
You know when I developed the Rasengan, so why did you do that?
I was frustrated. But I'm never gonna give up. And I'm gonna get him to acknowledge me someday.
What are your intentions?
Nothing at all. I choose to follow my own path from here on out.
All right! I'm gonna train super hard again today!
Naruto!
Huh?
It's awful! Sasuke is...
Huh? Is it really true, Dad? Is Sasuke seriously gonna leave our team? Why'd you do that all of a sudden?
Well,
I'm gonna go ask him myself.
Sasuke has already left for the feudal lord's office, escorting a VIP who's from that office.
This is all way too sudden. We weren't even able to patch things up between us yet.
He volunteered for this mission in order to hone his skills. Do so right after getting into that fight with you, because it made him realize something.
Oh, I see.
But it's not the time to relax.
Huh?
And don't worry, I'll be sure to root for you from distant skies. What can I tell you? My wounds are fully healed.
No way! Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you take me with you?
What?
I'll be able to get lots of training done out there while we're on the road.
Well, I...
Come on, let's go!
Damn it, you're so self-centered, Naruto.
For now, I actually wouldn't mind being kept on standby. Besides, while the two of them are away, I think it'll be a good opportunity.
Are you sure about this? I brought you on board because Captain Fugaku asked me to. Well, my brother's on the Hokage's detail. And that's why you volunteered for this?
Hey, I've been thinking about what you said before. So why are you going out of your way to try and find him, then?
That if only I hadn't let him go then, he would still be here in the village right now.
I've learned everything I can here. Besides, I realize it's none of my business, but I don't need you to get involved in this. Thanks for the last 3 years.
Only the elite were sent on that mission. But you've developed into a shinobi second only to Shisui.
This is
A lieutenant's armband for the Leaf Police Force. But now here's your chance to demonstrate your skills in a real mission.
And this time, I'll take you down and prove to you who's stronger.
At first I thought we were going too far, but these results speak for themselves.
Nah, we get to let off steam too. It's 3 birds with 1 stone.
If things were going to change just by waiting, then they would have changed a long time ago.
It's very easy to just run your mouth.
The recent activities of the Leaf Police Force are indefensible.
It takes time for things to truly change. My father understands that.
Is the clan's most gifted member, Sasuke.
Sasuke, you're back. I believe my father would like to keep observing them.
Everybody in the village is so high-strung because of those guys.
Yeah, it's so annoying. This is weird.
Huh?
Weren't there lots of food stands here before? Pervy Sage said he had to make a stop along the way, so I figured that I'd just come home first.
While you were away from the village, the rest of us became Chunin.
So I'm the last one from our class is still a Genny?
I'm sorry, but until now I...
Shut your mouth! Come with me!
Oh, now look, that kid...
Yeah, you're right. He's back.
You're still stuck on that?
This feeling.
We're just 2 friends having a friendly fight. What's the deal? What's going on?
Look, just be quiet.
At Naruto Uzumaki, he seems to have gained a lot of strength in the past 3 years.
One of the Leaf's top officials. What's more, yeah, and Lady Tsunade gave me a very strict warning.
It was simply the right thing to do.
Well, I must be going now.
Huh? So next time, we have to make sure we stop Sasuke.
Yeah.
But he's nothing like how he was in the past. I'm still not...
In truth, that child Sasuke possesses fine eyes.
You know what I heard? The police force had a run-in with the Hokage's son yesterday. We've clamped down on everyone until now.
I don't know what you're talking about. Interfering? Hey, wait a minute! Who gave you the authority to do this?
The police force raiding the Hokage's home without authorization.
And take the appropriate disciplinary measures.
Lieutenant, we're sorry. We just did it for the Uchiha.
But after all the boasting you did, I guess it was for nothing, though. You will never measure up to Itachi. Someone like you doesn't belong in my unit.
So what's gonna happen to Sasuke, I wonder?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I only came to see exactly what you're offering.
Oh, is that so? You only came here to see that, did you? Yes, of course. I predicted as much. But, are you sure? He's also the Nine-Tails Jinchuriki, which is essential to this village.
I don't care about the Uchiha or the Leaf.
I remember a shinobi who deserted the village long ago saying something just like that. The name of that shinobi is Orochimaru. Like Naruto's mentor Jiraiya. That's the price you'll pay.
I'm looking forward to it. I want to know what you're getting out of this.
Do not look with much kindness upon that creature of the 9 tails. Now go.
Alright, shift's over. Time to close the gate. Wait!